Unit 10 review, question number 23. Let's find two angles in the one revolution around the unit circle in terms of degrees that satisfy the following equation. So first, make sure by going to mode that you are in degrees. Remember that if you reset your calculator, it will automatically go to radians. That's the first thing we're going to do. Second, I'm going to do the inverse of cosine and then type in the negative 0.8829. All right, so where am I going to find 151.99? So nearly 152 degrees. Where will I find that? That's going to be somewhere over here just before we get to 180 degrees. So this is going to be at 151.99 degrees. And in the answer key I provided, you can see Mr. McFarland rounded that to 152. Okay, notice that we want to find two angles in the revolution and that the cosine is negative. Well, think of cosine like x's. X's are negative in both quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So I want to have this exact same angle. So how am I going to achieve that? Instead of adding 151.99, and I'm going to choose not to round that, I'm going to take 360 and I'm going to subtract that amount to find the same angle. All right, so we have 360 on the calculator. You can see this. I'm going to subtract this exact same angle, and we end up with, this angle is 208.005. So 151.99, or you could round it to 152, and 208.